How to slow-mo video on Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can slow-mo a video on Capcut, so let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and then import the project that you want to work on. And now you simply have to come to this bottom section over here and just scroll through. And now you can see I have no option for the slow-mo. So just select this project over here, just click the timeline and select it. And then it's going to pop up with this menu. And now you can see the speed option. Click it. And here you can see you have this normal option. Click it. And now you can just increase or decrease the speed and just make it a slow-mo. You can just smoothen the slow-mo by clicking over here. Now if I want to decrease the speed, I'm just going to take it back over here and then click smooth slow-mo over here. And then click keep pitch. And now click the stick over here. And now if I play the video over here, you can see it would be a slow-mo. And that's how you do it.